In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Slack on your phone from your desktop. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into the process. The first step you need to take is to open your Workspace menu on your desktop. On your computer, locate the top left corner of the Slack app where you'll see your workspace or company name. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open the main drop-down menu, revealing various options you can choose from. Once you have the drop-down menu open, your next step is to generate the mobile sign-in QR code. In that menu, look for the option that says either Get the mobile app or Sign in on mobile. Click on that, and almost instantly, a unique and secure QR code will appear on your screen. Make sure you let that QR code fully load, as it will be crucial for signing into your Slack account on your phone. Now that you have the QR code up on your monitor, it's time to grab your phone. Open your phone's built-in camera app. This works for most phones. Point your camera directly at the QR code displayed on your desktop. It may take a moment for your phone to recognize the code, so be patient. If your camera struggles to read the QR code, don't worry. A little tip: try making your desktop window larger or increasing your monitor's brightness. This can help clear up any glare that might be making it difficult for your phone to scan the code. Once your phone has successfully scanned the QR code, it will trigger a pop-up link that appears on your phone screen. Here's where the magic happens. Just tap that pop-up link. If you already have the Slack app installed on your phone, it should automatically launch and log you straight into your workspace. How convenient is that? But what if you don't have the app installed on your phone yet? No problem. If that's the case, tapping the link will redirect you to your App Store, allowing you to download the Slack app first. After the installation is complete, you will be logged in immediately. Easy peasy. And there you have it. You've successfully signed into Slack on your phone using your desktop. This method not only saves you time, but keeps your sign-in process secure and efficient. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it for more useful tutorials like this one. Your support really helps us create more content to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I